This time we start taking some parts off the bike. I got a bit carried away on eBay, so some bits have arrived. So here we go. Let's get that off and let's get the headlight off and have a look and see what's going on. So the headlight's off. I appear to have lost a screw. Now for a time lapse while I work my way through the nest of wires. Let's have a look inside. I mean, it isn't. I can't reuse this. Oh, can I? Oh, I can. Yeah, it's not in bad nick. Thought it was damaged. Oh, it's the backing plate. Yeah, if you look, it's the backing plate. I didn't realise. There were two separate things. Maybe I do need a new one. Do you know, probably just going to buy a new one. If I get really bored, I'll have a look at that. So I've decided to go down the route of a calf racer conversion with this bike. After having a look online for parts for the CB250, the budget just wasn't there to start ordering all the sort of various bits and bobs that I needed. I had a particular style in mind and the calf racer seemed to suit that perfectly. Oh, I didn't break it. I picked up a pretty generic brown calf racer seat from eBay and started mocking it up. So, original. I'm quite impressed with the look of this initially. Look at that. It's got a very nice finish to it, and it's a similar size. Slightly bigger actually, quite nice. I like the yellow. It's going to suit the style I'm going for. With the brown seat and the yellow headlight. Very nice. Right, let's see if I can get it sort of fitted. I don't know how. I think I'm going to have to make some brackets. I didn't get any in the box. So this little kink in the back of the frame is stopping the sort of universal eBay seat from sitting flush. The middle of the seat does sit correctly on the support bar, but it sort of stands proud, and you can notice it sort of scoops up. Well, what I'm going to do, if I cut that weld there, see if I can bend that down with some heat. So I'm going to do that now, see how I get on.